everyone, it's Mary and welcome back to With Love Designs. Today we will be making another 3D project. This one is another purse. I told you guys I love purses, so this week is no different. The only biggest difference is this one is a mini purse, so it's tiny. It won't hold a gift card holder or hand sanitizer or anything like that I've shown in the past. It will, however, hold candies, small treats, maybe a lip balm in here. So great for party favors, gift for coworkers. So instead of just giving chocolate, you can give it in a cute little vessel like this. So that's the sample. I do have many more and different variations of it. As you can see on my table, I have 2 of them that I'll be making with you. But this is the dies that I've used. And these dies came from Amazon, and I will leave the link below so you can purchase it if you're interested. So it does come with 2 dies. So for the purse, so you can make a circle one or a rounded one, or you can make a more angled one. All right. And then as you can see, there's so many options for this one here. You've got this closure here, this closure, this closure, this one, and these here are for the bottom part of the purse. And I'll show you that later on. And this is for like the buckle. Here are the handles. And of course, as you saw when I pulled the green one in, it has these as well, detailed dies in it as well. There's more options. You've got these here, another possible strap, and then you've got buckles, a butterfly, heart, baby heart, flower, and little tags. Again, so many options with this die set. It was not that expensive. It was only, I think, $12.98 or something like that. So really nice for the options that you have. So I only bought one. Typically I buy 2 sets just because I would be cranking them out for craft fairs in my Etsy shop. But I bought one because you can essentially crank 2 out every time, and it's a lot easier. It's easy. You don't have to buy 2. So let's get started. As you can see, I have this die here. Sorry, this piece here with this die here. And then we'll also have the rounded one as well. So let's get started in putting this together. I'm going to fast forward the assembly process. But that's how it looks like at the end. That's our first one, and then this is our second one. Like I said earlier, there's a lot of closures you can use with this, and I'll show you now what those are. But let's just see real quick. This one here was another sample I used a cute little bow, different closure. As you can see here, I did a circle. Here I did the longer one. And then I did little corner pieces. But it does fit doves. 4 doves. So if you like doves like me, you could put 4 doves in there. Or you could put Hershey kisses in there as well. So that's the dove one. So let's put in the new one here. Let's put some Hershey kisses. See how many you can fit. 4, maybe 5. 5 Hershey kisses. So extremely adorable. A miniature purse, but it does fit 5 in there. Okay, now the bigger piece one here. This guy here does hold a lip balm, so you can put a lip balm in here or something small to that equivalent size, and you can gift it as well. So very cute. The back is plain. I didn't decorate it. I just did the front, just like with this one. I mean, this one is paper all the way through, pretty paper all the way through, so obviously you can see a design all the way through it. I don't like these glue yucky stuff, so let me clean that up as best as I can. Alright, sorry about that. Now, with that said, this one, how many Hershey's does this hold? And before the video I started, I was able to put a total of 9 of them in here. So maybe you can push it to 10. But there you go, it closes with no issue. So again, oops, plain on the back, but very cute. So wouldn't it be so cute to kind of give it to your coworker and put it on their desk for Christmas or birthday, anything, or teachers, secretaries, just anything. I know it's small, but you know, give candies. Who doesn't like candies? Whether it's chocolate or a hard candy. I mean, right? So cute, so adorable. So sorry, just gushing about it, but just adorable. All right, so that's, whoop, my goodness, I'm just throwing stuff around. So that's that one. So you've seen these 2. So now we've gotten this one. You've seen this one already. With this one, I didn't put the end buckle like I did here. I just kept it plain. But this is this comes with the die. So if you don't want to put pretty paper, you could just do beautiful foil paper or shimmer paper. And then so we've got this one, which I've already shown you kind of. So very pretty. Got this one. Right? Not pretty. This guy. This one. So you can see the difference between pretty paper and just regular cardstock and pretty paper design handle. You've got this one. This one has the scallop, same thing though. So my base are 110 pounds. Got this one. The smaller one, so this one with the oval or the round corners, this one with the 90-degree corner, and then you got this one with the scallop. So same die, 3 different purses that you can come up with, and more actually. Like I said, I didn't get to use all of them. And then you've got this one. So this one is different from this one. Different design, different bows or ribbons. Then you've got this one. Same paper, just different look. Right? And then we've got this cute little one. Same paper again, different look. And then the last one is this little guy here. I didn't really want to take, put an oval on it and hide the beautiful detailed work on it. So I put the least of all that takes up space. But there is this one here as well, which I didn't use for instead of this closure here, only because I wanted to, if I did this one here, then that would just be white, and I didn't want it to be too plain. So it came up with this one. But I guess you could use this one in white and then make this one red so it wouldn't be so plain. But again, imagination, right? Whatever you come up with would be your own work, your own style, and your own design. So these are pretty amazing dies. They're really thick. They're not flimsy by any means. So I love these dies, and even though I'm just putting chocolate on them in them, I think I would love to get one of these. They're just so adorable. So many ways to design, decorate. Like, again, your imagination is the limit, you know. So many cute little purses, and wow, just wow. So again, dies are from Amazon, $12.98. Can't beat that. You get so many options, and this is just what I came up with just today. So I like it. Hopefully you guys liked it. Please let me know if you have any questions. I will give you the link to the dies. The last time I checked, they only had 3 left, but you could definitely purchase these for yourself. Company was pretty good. I did leave them a review. There was only one other review there with no sample. I did give a sample, these 2 here on the Amazon review, because I felt that as crafters we kind of need to see a visual on how big they are, how small they are. So I mean, I know we can measure, but it's just easier to kind of see what it looks like, you know, compared to my hand kind of thing. All right, guys, thank you so much for your time. Thank you for watching, and thank you for all my new subscribers. I truly appreciate each and every one of you. Hopefully you guys get a hold of these dies and make your own. And if you're inclined, please share with me. I would love to see what you guys make. Thank you for your time, and have a good week. See you again soon. Bye.